Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about the playing with number. Topic is in 6th class maths. Okay. See, playing with numbers means how to do, how to find the divisibility of rules. Normally we will do, if anything the divisible by the number means we will do directly division method and we will say the number is exactly divisible by this number or that number we will see. See the process, one small example I will explain. See, when Shiva has 50 chocolates, Shiva has 50 chocolates. How many is having chocolates? Right. He's having 50 chocolates. See, those chocolate he has to distribute his friends. The friends is having 5 friends, 5 members are there. Then how to give? 5 members are their friends. See, 5 friends are there. These 50 chocolates first he gave to 2. In these 50 chocolates he gave to 2. In the 50 chocolates, each how many over? 5 to jar 10 over. Okay. Next, again Ethan is having 40 chocolates. Okay. Again he is having 40 chocolates. Next he gave again 3. Again he gave total how many? 5. Again he is having again more chocolates. How many? 5 is 25 chocolates he gave. He distributed only 25 chocolates. More 25 chocolates is there. Okay. Now again already he gave 5 means more 25. Half only over there. Again he will give again 5 chocolates. So each one got 10 chocolates. Each one he gave each one 10 chocolates. See, always it will be this process is longer. 1 distribution means it will be easier longer. So how to give another method? It will be he has to do the division directly. He has to do division directly. If he will give, then each person having how many chocolates will get, he will know directly. Then for 50 means, then how many members are there? 5. 5 10 50. 5 10 50. Each person how many chocolates will get? 10 chocolates. Now Shiva, he has to decide this method he will need or this method he has to need means he will decide it. He has to do division directly, then directly he will give the 10 chocolate. Distribution means he will take more time. He will take more time. Then if you will do division means he will get easily. Okay, see, always the process. The smaller thing it will be is there means he has to do the division method. If the longer numbers are there, coming to the maths, coming to the problems, if he has more numbers, his more digits are there, how to do? Means example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be the numbers means always we can't do the division. Then further this ones can't do the division. Then we will discuss that rule is one more rule he gave, that is the divisibility rule. That is the divisibility rule. If whenever we are seeing the number, immediately we can say the number is divisible by that whatever he gave the number, he has to check other number, means the number is divisible by other number is or not, means whenever we can see the number, immediately we will say that process, the rules and regulations are there. The rules and regulations that it will be, we will say the divisibility rules. Those are, we will say, divisibility rules. In this class we will explain, we will discuss about the divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 6 and 9. These 4 properties I will explain in this video. Okay, now coming to the point. Now we will today. Now first it will be discussing about the divisibility by 2. Okay, divisibility by 2. Then make it here. Remember. First one is divisibility by 2. Okay, correct to me, right? What is the divisibility by 2 rule? See, all the even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Okay, remember it. All the even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Okay, I am saying even numbers. What is the even number? What is the even number? Even numbers means if the number is having ones place, the numbers are having ones place 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. If the numbers are having, if any number is having ones place only, see, this is very important, remember it, only I am saying ones place, only ones place is having 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. If there means the number, directly we will say the number is even number. The number should be is even number. So even number means directly we will say the number is divisible by 2. Okay, the directly we will say the number is divisible by 2. Suppose all the even numbers are, make it note it point here, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Which are the even numbers? Which are the even numbers? If the number is having, ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So we will call it a even number. Okay, next. Then one example of divisible by property. For example here, I am writing here bigger numbers, small numbers you will know directly the even numbers. Then 9, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2. So 2 or it will make it 8. See second example, 7, 8, 9, 6, 2, 0. Third example, 4, 7, 3, 9, 3, 5. See, even numbers I told. What is the odd numbers? What is the odd numbers means? These are even. See, odd numbers means what? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Odd numbers. The ones place are having 1, 3, 5, 9, 7 and 9. Those are in the ones place, means those are the odd numbers. Only we are discussing about the even numbers and odd numbers. The topic is different. Now we will come to the point. Then he gave it will be 9,34,678. See, directly he gave question divisible by 2. It will be, we can't do division always big. Directly small thing is if you love the number is divisible by 2 or no. Yes or no means directly, then it will be processed. Long division method will do means it will be processed. Directly you can see in the ones place. Only we have to see in the ones place. The number is in ones place. That is 8. 8 is a even number. So the given number is, this is the divisible by 2. We will write divisible by 2. So next coming to the second example. Then 7,89,620. This is also 6-digit number. Then this is divisible by 2 or not? Then what we have to first do? Then go to ones place. Ones place is 0. Ones place is 0. 0 is means what? Even number. So decide. Directly we will decide. This number also is divisible by what? Connect to me everyone. Divisible by 2. Listen carefully. This is also is divisible by 2. Then next coming to the third one. And how much it will be? 47 lakhs. Sorry, 4,73,975. This number is divisible by 3 or not? 2. Sorry. This number is divisible by 2 or not? Means what? We can check it into the ones place. The ones place number digit is a 5. The 5 means is a odd number. Odd numbers are divisible by 2? No. 5 is a odd number. Odd numbers are divisible by 2? No. So, this number is divisible by 2 or not? This is the odd number. We can write here. The given number is odd number. Odd number. So, odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So, the number is not divisible by 2. The number is not divisible by 2. Only even numbers are divisible by 2. Though all odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Okay, this is the topic about divisibility by 2. Now we will discussing about the next topic is divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Okay, thinking here. Now next it will be divisibility rule by 3. What is the divisibility by 3? See, simply small the thing. Small the thing. What is that? The sum of the digits in the given number, sum of the digits is a multiple of 3 or the number is divisible by 3, means the total number is divisible by 3, we will see. See, one more time we will be repeating. Sum of the digits, sum means we have to do the addition. If the sum of the digits are divisible by 3 or the multiple of 3 means the number is divisible by 3, we will see. Suppose for example, see here 186. 186. 186 is a divisible by 3 or not? First point what I told, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? Which one is there in the digits? 1, 8, 6. These 3 digits are there. What is that? 1 plus 8 plus 6. 1 plus 8 plus 6. Sum means addition. How much should be is 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 means we can do division also. So 3 5s are 15 we will get. Remainder is 0. So 186 is a divisible by 3. 186 is divisible by 3. See one, if you are getting doubt, sir is saying directly sum of the digits. He did the division and the number is divisible by 3, he is saying. This is correct or not? If you get doubt, this correct or not means we can go through direct division method. Once you can check it, if you are getting doubt, 3 6 is 18, subtraction, then 6, 3 2 is 6. Got it over. Okay, this is the way we have to do divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits are, one more example, see here. Here like that. Just take it here, sum of the digit, write it. Sum of the digit, any number is also we can do it like this only. Sum of the digits means 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. How much is 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 will come in 3 table. 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10. You can't go in 3 table. 25 is a not multiple of 3. So the given number 38,653 is not divisible by 3. Divisible means we can write here divisible, then not divisible means we can write there not divisible. That's it. This is the test of divisibility by 3. Next it will be next 6. Test of divisibility rule by 6. Okay, I hope this is also understood everyone. The next one, test of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 6. See, 6 means 2 into 3. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3 we will say. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3 we can say. I hope anyone guess divisibility of 6 rule. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Can you guess anyone? Right. The given number is divisible by 2 and 3. Should be compulsory. The number is divisible by 2 and 3. By the time only the number is exactly divisible by 6 we will say. Means example see one more. 3,876. It's now only 4-digit number. You can take 5-digit, 10-digit also, no problem. Take here 3,876. Right. See, first we will see divisibility by 2 or no we will see. First divisibility by 2 rule. What is that? In the given number, even number or not? So we can go to ones place. Ones place is a which number? That is a even number. Ones place is a even number. So what? Ones place is 6 is there, the number is even number. The given number what is that? 3876. Even number is divisible by 2. Even number directly we can say. Next, divisible by 3 property. Divisible by 3 property what? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? So 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. How much should be? 24. 24 is a multiple of 3. So 3876 is exactly divisible by 3. So here divisible by 2 over, divisible by 3 also got. What I told, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, by the time only is divisible by 6. So 3876 is divisible by 6. If any number, if the number is not divisible by any number, 2, if the number is divisible by 2 and is not divisible by 3, means the number is not divisible by 6. Okay, should be compulsory, the number should be divisible by both. If any one also is not divisible, means the total number is not divisible by 6, we will say. Should be compulsory, the number is divisible by both 2 and 3 only. By the time only we will say the number is exactly divisible by 6. Isn't it right? Now, next one, the topic next one is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 rule, what is? One example I will explain. Same way, it will be sum of the digits. This is also same. How to do the? In 3 digit means 3. How we did in 3? Same way, sum of the digits. This also, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits are multiple of 9. Sum of the digits are multiple of 9 means the number is exactly divisible by 9, we will say. Suppose one example. 999. 999 is number is divisible by 9 means directly we can say all 9s are there, that directly we will say. See, one more example I am saying. See, 3,38,934. The number is divisible by 9 or not. We will check. What is the process? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is what? 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4. It will become 27. 27 means 9 3s are 27. So 27 is a multiple of 9. So the number, what is the number? 38,934 is divisible by that's it. Divisibility by 2 and divisible by 3 are both are same. One more time I am repeating, see children, then everyone remember it. Then divisibility rule. First one is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2, when we will say, means all the even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. All the even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Then next, second one, divisibility by 3. Then in the given number we have to choose the sum of the digits. We can take the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Means it will be the sum of the digits is the multiple of 3 means the given number is exactly divisible by 3 we will see. The next one, divisibility by 6 means 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. So that what we will say, if the given number is exactly divisible by 2 and 3 compulsory, 2 and 3 compulsory, by the time only we will say the number is exactly divisible by 6. If anyone is not divisible, either 2 or not 3. If not divisible means the number is exactly not divisible by 6 we will say. So compulsory the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. 2 it will be by the time 6 will come. Next it will be divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 means same 3 what is there, 9 also. So sum of the digits. The sum of the digits is multiple of 9 means the total number is divisible by 9. Okay children, thank you. Next video we will meet that about the prime and composite numbers I will explain. Okay, ready for the video also. Okay, we will meet next video in prime and composite numbers. Okay children, thank you.